Mirka was founded in 1943 in Helsinki, in the middle of the raging Second World War. It was not an easy environment to start a new company with manufacturing technology, but eventually moved up here to Ostrobothnia, to Jeppo, in 1962 and established the first real production here. We are responsible, we are committed, we are innovative, and we are respectful. And this is actually something that we use a lot in our daily work, in everything from how we interview, how we bring in people, to sometimes when we have tough decisions to make, we think about our mission and values and so on. So it is very present and a very important part of who we are. What I'm most proud of is how we have managed to develop the whole working community, the organization, and also the whole network of our partners. We work a lot with empowering people and to give everybody an opportunity to perform better, which also gives outstanding results. We can really see the collective energy. Sustainability and green transition is not only a question for the industry, this is for the whole society. However, businesses and industrial companies can make a huge difference because we can impact how products are designed today, how production processes and energy solutions and so on are designed and constructed today, and that will also give us a better future. We can really make an impact as a business. Mirka has, during its 80 years of history, always tried with innovation, always worked to improve both our own internal operations, but also really the products or solutions to the customer, the value add. How can we make things better? How can we make something work better? And this, to be so curious, to be so interested and never really accept the status quo, is something that makes this company really unique.